Hello and welcome everyone to the second semi-final of Quizzing with the Comedians. I'll call all our contestants today. Give it up for Akash Mehta.
Hello.
Akash Mehta. Next up is Anirban Dasgupta. Anirban.
Hello.
Next up is Saurabh Mehta.
Hi, buddy.
Let me call the last semi-finalist of semi-final 2, Vishal Daima.
Yeah.
Vishal Daima. Okay, are we ready? All the 4 participants ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Give me-
audience, I assume is ready. Let's go. Let's begin with the first question to Akash Mehta. With which entertainment conglomerate founded in 1925 would you associate the mascot Leo, the lion?
Sounds. I know the tiger. There is a tiger which is part of the.
With which
You want to
entertainment?
know the entertainment company?
We're looking at a big entertainment company founded almost 100 years back, and their mascot is a lion. The lion has a name Leo, but even if you didn't know the name Leo, that won't matter, I think. At any
Hey, yeah. Wait, it's there. It's here. It's itna dur. Wait, I know this. I know this.
Just answer no.
Yeah.
Wait, I know. एक second रुकना मेरे को आ रहा है. जब पास मत कर रुक.
Hey, yaar.
MGM.
MGM, of course. MGM is the one that has a lion. Lion Metro Goldwyn.
वो starting में आता है ना वो lion. मेरे को
Yeah.
वही मैं doubt में चला गया था.
Yeah. It is that starting ka lion. Metro Goldwyn Mayer. 10 points to Akash. MGM is correct. Direct to Anirban. Anirban, after which German neurologist is presenile dementia, which he first located and described in 1907, named? Essentially, the question, in other words, is just like
Who discovered
The name.
after which individual is presenile dementia named, basically.
Do I know this man?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure all of us, including the audience members, everyone knows this man.
His name or the word?
The name.
एक second.
Hitler.
German neurologist. Dude, whenever I think of anything German, only footballer name comes, dude. So it's
Oh,
a problem.
I thought you'd say Hitler.
It's not named.
I thought like Nuremberg or something will come to your mind.
What are like? Is there any German surnames like Mehta, जैसे India में है? I'm just thinking.
Hitler.
Hitler तो मैं सोचा, but Hitler नहीं. Neurologist.
Yeah.
But hey, big ups on Germany for branding, हाँ कि मतलब अनिर्बान को सिर्फ फुटबॉलर याद आ रहे हैं और ऑस्विच याद नहीं आ रहा है मतलब सही है
Yeah.
Germany का काम.
They've really turned around in the last few decades, I think.
Yeah.
Where Anirban is about to guess Michael Ballack for. Yeah.
Dude, I was gonna guess Klopp just for local.
Yeah. 0.5 to Anirban for Liverpool.
Thanks, was going for that. Oh, pass. I don't know.
Passing to Saurabh Mehta.
Alzheimer?
Absolutely correct. It is Alzheimer's.
Dude, I know.
10 points to Saurabh
This was one
Mehta.
of those derivative answers.
Yeah,
Like
this was a
Presenile
derivative.
is before you're old.
Thank you.
Dementia is forgetting.
Yeah, dementia. You call it Alzheimer's disease because it's named after this particular individual, Alois Alzheimer, who actually named it and did research. And
My only goal, KV, is to beat Anirban today. Only.
10 points to Saurabh, and we go to from Alzheimer. We go to an etymology question. This is for Vishal. Correct. Which word, now generally used for an unexpected burst of wealth or success, literally means calm sea in Spanish? So look at the main clues. It's one word. It's not a phrase. It's a word. And it literally means unexpected burst of wealth or success. Like when you get something out of nowhere, this is the word we use. And the word origin is that in Spanish, this word means calm sea. Okay, I'll give you extra gyan. Calm sea basically is a sign of something good happening in life, and that's like the in the old times, like for sailors and all, calm sea meant good fortune and like good life, good luck, and that's why Spanish used to call calm sea something. And now we use it generally for anytime we get unexpected burst of wealth or success.
Serendipity.
Not serendipity. I'm going to Akash Mehta now. Unexpected burst of wealth or success. Suddenly बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है life में.
When you get some good brand work.
Yeah. 0.5 to Anirban for having hope in our career in the time of lockdown.
Speak for yourself, Anirban. Uh,
थोड़ा इधर भी दे दो भाई.
Anirban, I don't want to beat you anymore. Okay, just call me. Okay, when you get it.
Point दे रहा हूँ मैं तुझे. ले ले.
Unexpected.
Miracle.
Not miracle. Passing to Anirban now.
But I'm thinking something that's to do with good fortune or luck, but I don't know if that's the right track. Unexpected burst.
Give me one more.
Yeah, I also thought like fortune wise miracle type कुछ रहेगा. Like ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो गया एक साथ.
बहुत कुछ हो गया एक साथ.
Unexpected burst of wealth or success in recent times. Then I will like think the Times of India का headline क्या था? Then I'll answer.
I thought you'll answer Afsos.
Giving 0.5 to Vishal for promoting other contestants' work.
That's unexpected burst of depression.
Okay, Anirban, ready when you are.
Unexpected burst of success. I don't know. I'm just lottery.
Not lottery, but good track. Saurav.
Shit, my guess was going to be lottery only. Okay, wait, I have to think again. Obviously, it's not Nadal.
हो गया भाई एक guess.
Nadal Spanish है क्या?
हाँ, Nadal has.
Pass.
Okay, I'll take one more round, and this will be a 5-point question now. Okay. So the word starts with B. B for beta. B for Bombay. Okay, and think of like sales and offers or some unexpected cash.
Oh,
Got it.
For me,
Yeah, this
Yeah.
starts from Vishal.
it's Bonanza.
Bonanza. 5
Yeah.
point to Vishal. This is a 5-pointer now. Rangoli Bonanza on Google Pay. So Bonanza literally means when you get unexpected burst of like Bonanza month, Bonanza whatever.
Yeah.
So Bonanza, 5 point to Vishal, which means the next direct will be for Akash. Okay. So here you have to guess a marine creature. Which marine creature are tiger, sand, whale, and basking types of? Basically, tiger dash, sand dash, whale dash, basking dash are all. The dash can be filled by which marine creature?
Shark.
Shark is correct. Absolutely correct. 10 points to Akash. As you can see, there are a lot of. There's something called frilled shark. There's bull sharks.
Yeah.
And you also see white shark.
बेस्ट होता है जो मालवानी फूड में मिलता है ना शार्क, वो सबसे टेस्टी होता है वो चखने.
Giving points to
Sharks are names of other animals only. Other
Yeah,
inside.
point
but baby shark is very tasty.
observation.
Maybe I would just like to say, as a Jain, this is a little different. I'm just-
Going to Anirban direct because Akash got sharp. Anirban, your question: which US city holds the world's oldest annual race, instituted in 1897? So we're talking about a US city that has a very, very famous race that is done every year, and it was instituted way back in 1897. So almost 130 years back, 133. It happened.
Race, is it like a marathon?
Yeah, up to you. I can't say that. I don't want to say that. But yeah, it is something, an annual thing that happens in a particular US city, and it's one of the most prestigious in the world and also the world's oldest annual race.
Boston.
Yeah, marathon was the right track.
And
Boston Marathon. That
Also,
happened.
only marathon to have been bombed in recent times.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a terrorist activity that happened here. Okay, superb. Good
I
start.
wish this was my direct only.
All of you are on the scoreboard. Saurav, since Anirban got Boston, this is for you.
Yeah.
Which Asian republic was claimed for Spain by Magellan in 1521 and eventually ceded to the US after the Spanish-American War in 1898?
Do we have helpline options?
No. Looking at an Asian republic that will give you a few countries, and then it was claimed by Spain because Magellan, as we know, was a famous explorer. He landed there and he was like, "Oh, ये तो Spain का." And then that like continued for the longest time, and then Spanish-American War happened. Spain lost, and then US took over in 1898. Which Asian republic are we talking about? Enough clues in the slide if you read carefully. We'll take one more round without any.
Korea?
Sorry.
Korea?
Not Korea. Passing
Nahi.
to Vishal.
Is it Philippines?
It is Philippines. 10
Philippines.
points to Vishal. So even if you notice the timeline when Magellan and Spanish got it, Spain, Magellan reached Spain and he named it after the Spanish king.
Yeah.
And Spanish
Yeah.
king was King Philip II, and
Philip.
the Philippines is named after King Philip. And yeah,
Also, America's only real foray into colonialism, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, dude.
Nice.
Anirban is just odd. He's like, what?
वो लोग उधर oil के लिए गए थे basically.
I don't know any Philippines because
Yeah.
there's no football there. So yeah.
Arey, if you ever heard Black Eyed Peas, you would know Filipinos.
No, I've heard Black Eyed Peas. I've heard a lot. Nothing. Dude, you just.
What? They scream Filipino, Filipino. What is that about?
Arey, I thought it's somebody's name, man.
It was the Spain के king का नाम.
Oh my God. I'm giving 0.5 to Akash for all that input, and Anirban, to be very honest about
KV, I feel like you're just neglecting for all the contribution I'm making as a junior writer.
Dude, can I get 15 points for qualifying here?
Yeah, okay. 1 second. Can Anirban and I combine our points and take
So
on
give us
Vishal?
7.5 each.
Yeah.
There's no Kolkata Alliance happening. I'm going to Akash Mehta
Oh.
now because Vishal got Philippines correct. Which US city did Swami
Oh,
Vivekananda
man.
participate in the World Parliament of Religions in 1893?
Dude, everything that I might know is gone.
In which US city did Swami Vivekananda participate in the World Parliament of Religions in 1893? His famous participation, his famous speech, his legendary travel.
Yeah, in Chicago, the Windy City. Was it in Chicago? Yes,
It is
was in
Chicago. Akash gets 10 points. It is Chicago. This photo is from the World Parliament of Religions. Very famously gave his speech where he said, all my brothers and sisters. 10 points to Akash.
Vivekananda always looks smart. He never looks not smart.
Direct to Anirban. Okay. How do we better know Henri, because he's French, Henri Donat Mathau, who took over Christian Dior's fashion house after his death in 1957? So a fashion question. Christian Dior, as we all know, is still a famous brand. Christian Dior had a fashion house. After Christian Dior, when he died in 1957, someone took over the fashion house. His original name was Henri Donat Mathau, but then we know him from a different name, and that name also everyone knows. So that's another hint for Anirban that
So like he changed his name?
No.
Yeah. I mean, we know him better by another name.
He didn't change.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man. How do we better?
So you know the field. So within that field, think of what names
Yeah.
can you get, and nationality is there. Timeline is there.
I'm just going to go with Versace.
Not
Versace
Versace.
holder.
Not Versace. I'm going to
Armani?
Saurabh Mehta now.
Armani?
Not Armani. Passing to Vishal now.
Saint Laurent.
Yeah, Louis Saint Laurent
Oh,
or YSL in short.
for one fleeting second I had this, but then I was like,
Yeah.
"Ye to nahi hoga." Henri.
No. So it was the full name is yours, Henri Dorat Mathau Saint Laurent, and the middle part is gone and just YSL is there. So yeah,
Ah.
10 points to Vishal. I go to the next question. Next question to Akash. Which island in the Indian Ocean is the world's sole habitat of the unique race of primates, lemurs or lemurs? Lemurs are lemur, however you call it. Lemur are of course one of the primates, and they're unique because they look a little different
See,
than.
I like this because this is a trick question. Lemurs are the ones who are in the animals वाला movie यार, वो zoo वाला movie. जो I like to move it पे डांस करते वो लेमूर रहते हैं. ये बहुत ही ट्रिक क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज इंडियन ओशन देख के मेरे को लगा कि अंडमान निकोबार साइड रहेगा, पर ये एक्चुअली मैडागास्कर है.
That is right. It is Madagascar. Nice way to deduce answers.
I think the real interesting thing here is realizing that Madagascar is also Indian Ocean.
Yeah, Indian Ocean. 10 points to Akash. This is turning out to be a very, very exciting quiz. Now we reverse the order and we go to, since Akash got 10, I'm going to Vishal for the next question. Which European city hosts the World Economic Forum?
Oh man.
Very direct question. Which European
Yeah,
I somehow know Akash and Vishal's questions in this quiz.
yeah, exactly. I know so much. Anyway,
European city hosts the World Economic Forum?
Davos.
yeah.
Correct. 10 points to Vishal.
Now, what are you going to ask me, dude? Something like which page was the word law mentioned in the constitution?
Okay. Next up, Saurav Mehta's direct.
Yeah, I am ready.
In the world of entertainment, how do we better know the movie moguls? Jack, Harry, Albert, and Sam.
Buddy, Weinstein brothers? I don't know.
The Weinstein brothers, passing to Anirban.
How do we better know movie moguls? Jack, Harry.
I swear I knew Davos, okay? KV, I'm not lying to you.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
You know, when it comes to money, I might know a few things.
Yeah. Anirban, how do we better know the brothers Jack, Harry, Albert, and Sam in the world of entertainment, movie moguls?
No, nothing. Pass.
Passing. Okay, Anirban has passed. Over to Akash.
They're movie moguls.
Yeah.
तो मोगुल मतलब एक्टर तो नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
मोगुल मतलब तो वाइल्ड गेस वार्नर ब्रदर्स. हार्वी ब्रदर्स नहीं है तो वाइंस्टाइन. ओह
Correct.
इसने वाइंस्टीन ब्रदर तो मेरे को बोला कि शायद वार्नर वाले रहेंगे.
Yeah.
I am helping a topper out. How bad have things?
मुझे
They are-
Warner चमका.
They are Warner brothers. They are Warner brothers.
They forgot-
Akash gets 10 points,
Warner brother, which is David Warner.
which is David Warner. Yeah, 0.5 to Akash for. I'm going to Vishal now because Akash got Warner brothers. Vishal, in Homer's epic, The Odyssey, okay, which is one of his two famous epics, which great river is referred to as Aegyptos? Okay, read the question carefully. There are big hints there. In Homer's epic, The Odyssey, which great river is referred to as
It's Nile. Nile.
It's the Nile, and Egypt is basically Aegyptos.
Actors. Yeah.
Aegyptos. And Nile is correct. 10 points to Vishal. That is the great river that we were talking about. I'm going to Saurav now.
Okay.
This is Saurav's direct. By what common name do we know the compound polytetrafluoroethylene, extensively used for its low coefficient of friction? So there are the hints. This is the technical, like the scientific name, polytetrafluoroethylene, but we use a very common name to refer to this. And the big hint there is the reason we use this a lot is because it has low coefficient of friction. So the friction is less, basically.
Yeah. Everything that you think are hints.
Okay, I cracked the hints, but not the answer.
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm understanding what he's trying to do for me, okay? But I'm just... by what common name do we know the compound? Buddy, give me 1 second, okay? Because this seems like I might know it, but I know I won't get it.
Sure. Take your time.
By what common name? Oil?
Not oil. Passing to Anirban.
That was very wrong. I'm sorry.
It's the name of a thing. No, it's not like a category.
What is the doubt anyway? Just it was a thing, not a category. No, not a category. It is something very specific.
Dude, you know what happens in this quiz? Like, I get one answer and then I can't move to the another answer. I stuck on that. So my answer is lubricant.
No, not lubricant. Passing to Akash.
KY jelly.
Not KY jelly. Passing to Vishal.
It's the polymer called Teflon.
It is Teflon from Teflon. 10 points.
Yeah.
Nice.
Teflon is used because of low coefficient of friction. That's a use of Teflon. Next direct is for Saurav. This will be the last lap, so go all out, please.
Okay, just 1 second. Best of luck, Akash and Vishal. You can do it. Okay. Next.
Best of luck, you guys.
Okay.
Okay, Saurav, which tendon in the human body?
Achilles.
named after a Greek hero in the Trojan War.
Achilles.
Okay, now don't complain about tough questions, Saurabh.
Bye, guys.
10 points to Saurabh. Next is a Indian history question going to Anirban. In 1952, which movement was started by Acharya Vinoba Bhave at Pochampalli village? So Vinoba Bhave, just after independence, started this great movement, and the village that he started it from is a village called Pochampalli. In fact, I recently found out that village is now called ex Pochampalli. It's that significant.
Is
But
it a Chipko movement?
not Chipko. Chipko was Sundarlal Bahuguna. Going to Akash now. Akash Mehta.
Chipko movement was much after.
Yeah, Chipko was much after. You're right. Also, Chipko was forest and environment. This is more like village. Something.
Dude, Vinoba Bhave 52 में जिंदा था. He was so active. Wow.
Pretty old, but
Yeah, he was very old that time.
yeah, his time पे बहुत old थे.
Then it can't be Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement.
Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement is correct. 10 points to Akash. Bhudan movement.
Oh
Literally.
damn! Look at him, Jesus.
Yeah, this is. I found this picture to be like really nice. That's why I put it. That's Vinoba Bhave, and that's from the time of Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement, as the name suggests, is donating your land, Bhudan, and he basically encouraged like large, like big, rich landlords to donate their lands for a more equitable society.
I didn't know about this movement.
Yeah, exactly. Dude, I was looking at Anirban and I'm like, yes, Anirban has
Guys,
same expression.
last call.
Okay, last couple of questions. Which Arabic word, originally referring to a royal court, has now come to mean the burial place of a saint or famous person? Okay, since Akash got Bhudan, this is Vishal's direct.
Yeah. It's still, the word is still in use, no?
Yes. Which Arabic word originally referring? So originally it was used to refer to royal courts, but in today's time we use the word to refer to burial place of a saint or famous person.
Is it Maqbara?
It's not Maqbara. Maqbara is a tomb. But good guess. Saurav?
Buddy, I just want to take a guess.
Yeah.
Actually, nothing. Pass.
Okay, passing to Anirban.
Is it Dargah?
It is Dargah. 10 points to.
मेरे को दिमाग में ही नहीं आ रहा था.
It is 10 points to Anirban. Anirban gets 10 points. It is Dargah. Dargah, as we know, most Sufi saints are buried at Dargah, Nizamuddin to Haji Ali. And this is, in fact, the most famous Dargah. It is from Ajmer, Ajmer Sharif, and Salim Chishti's Dargah. So Dargah is a word originally used for royal courts, now used for burial place of saints. The next direct to Akash now. Which sporting organization was formed at a house in Balram Ghosh Street, North Calcutta in August 1889? Okay. Which sporting organization was formed at a house in Balram Ghosh Street, North Calcutta in August 1889?
Oh man.
Anirban definitely knows this.
Anirban is regretting answering Dargah now. Should have. I didn't Vishal or Saurav get Dargah, so he got this.
Man, I should have gotten Dargah, dude. I feel bad, Anirban.
Which sporting organization?
I have it.
North Calcutta.
Bagan.
Old. August 18.
Mohan Bagan.
It is Mohan Bagan, the legendary.
Mohan Bagan. Yes.
10 points to Akash. And that answer, I think, seals it for Akash, but we'll know once I tally the score. Akash Mehta is at 72. Anirban
Thank
is
you,
at
guys.
23.5. So Akash had 70 points plus 2.5. You know, the answer plus the extra points that you get. Anirban had 23.5. 20 plus 3.5. Saurav had 20.5. Very close. 20 plus 0.5. And Vishal had 56. Vishal had 50. And then 6 more points. Bonanza, so 55 plus 1. So which means our second finalist of Quizzing with the Comedians is Akash Mehta.
Oof. Thank you guys. Great game, guys. Vishal, that was damn good, dude. तू एक ही आंसर से मेरे हिसाब से वो ये हो गया.
I am just worried that I got 0.5 for humor. So not only am I dumb, even comedy is not working out. Okay.
Oh, thanks for doing this round.
Dude, I feel like KV was scared that if he gives me 0.51, I will just win. Like I will beat everybody. He's like, shit, let's not motivate him.
We already have 2 finalists that we know. Rohan Joshi qualified from the first semi-final. Akash Mehta has just qualified for the second spot. And I would like to thank every participant who joined. And of course, thanks a lot to Anirban, Saurav, and Vishal for being a part of this quiz. And I'll see you after.
Thank you, KV.
Great game.
This was a lot of
guys.
fun.
See you, Kumar.
Bye.
Nine.
Bye.
Bye.